Hey everyone. All right. So I haven't made any videos in a while because my laptops were dying. No joke. Old school precision workstation over there. Battery decided to die. Backlight on the keyboard decided to die. One of the keys like popped out and hit me in the face when I was typing the other day. It's crazy. Starting to do some weird stuff. It's 10 years old. It's lasted. So needed a new machine. Did tons of research. I bought the Asus Republic of Gamers Zephyrus M15. Yep, check it out. We're going to do an unboxing video, show you guys what it's all about. I guess Best Buy had it listed at $1,599 minus tax. I got it on sale for $1,200, and if it goes any cheaper in the next 14 days, I'm going to go take advantage of that and get that price adjustment. I got it now. Black Friday is in about a week. Fingers crossed it goes cheaper. So this is what the box looks like. This is what the side looks like. Serial number, model number, the works. It's really nice. I haven't bought myself a new machine in a long time. This one's got the 2070Q, if I remember correctly. i7, 1TB SSD. Oh, I can't wait. So look at that. Seal. They had 5 of them in stock. You gotta believe that. Let's cut it. There we go. Cue the heavenly music. Come on, I can do this. Here we go. My video like stopped recording itself. Oh, sick. Got ROG in there. Republic of Gamers. Dude, was this like already popped out? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. When you open it, the laptop lifts itself out. Check this out. Look. That is badass. Look at that. See that? That's really cool. So it's in a bag. Nice box. I'm guessing accessories in here. Oh, nice power brick. Let's see. Our Precision had a 250 watt power supply. This one's a 230 watt. Look at this. See that? 250, 230. Oh, there's no accessories? I got jibbed. I feel like I got jibbed. This is a nice box. Nice case. Okay, so if we fold it up nice and neat. Tabs. It's actually packed pretty good. No styrofoam. I'll tell you guys, this is a challenge. Trying to do this with one hand. Man, how much would it suck if I dropped it? Alright, so it's got this I saw it came in different styles and designs. I like that box. New laptop smell. Okay. Nice and smooth. Solid. It's got all the ports here on the side. It's got vents. On the other side, same thing. So I found out that this Intel model has the a higher end DAC for the audio. So the audio is in separate ports compared to the G15. I decided to go with the Core i7 because open. Here we go. Open. So nice. So nice. I decided to go with the Core i7 because AMD processors heat up. I am an AMD fan. I've had lots of AMD machines. I've built AMD gaming desktops. They run hot. So on a laptop, I don't want anything running hot. It'll die. I've had AMD laptops. They die. My old school precision workstation over here is a Core i7 Black Edition. And it's lasted. It hasn't died. I'm going to use it as a backup or a spare. So nice. Look at it. Oh, so nice. So this model has 16 gigs of RAM, the 2060 or 2070Q RTX card, 10th generation Core i7, brand new. I haven't had anything like this in a long time. I am happy. Plug it in, see what we got. Alright, so I just plugged it in, and it goes in there really nice and snug. Really nice and snug. Let's see, power. No power? No light on the adapter to show me whether the adapter is getting juice. Well, I know my wall is working. Power. Maybe it just has to charge up. Let's try this again. There she goes. Keyboard lights up. First time boot. I like it. Not so heavy, not so crazy. Nice logo. Good old Windows. First order of business, I'm dual booting Linux. I use Linux every day. Every day, all day, for work.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign-in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice for the keyboard along.
Nope, disable voice control.
Make your computer easy.
I am in the US. Escaping internet. Connect with limited setup. I don't like all that stuff. I turn everything off. I literally turn off everything. I don't like Microsoft doing everything. but I should sign into my account. Let's create an admin account. Always create like a secondary backup admin. Give a basic password. I wish I could skip this. Turn all this crap off. I don't want any of it running. I don't want to use any of it. Location off, diagnostic data off. The less I have streaming back to Microsoft, the better. Nope. No Cortana. I turned that. I don't even use it. You can't even turn it off. Trust me, the less crap you have running on your machine, the better it is. So far, I think it's been, what, less than 5 minutes? Which is good. Nice, good, quick, easy setup. Boom. Go straight here. So, guys, not bad. Make sure I didn't get ripped off. Nice giant mouse pad. Super sensitive. Here we go. Core i7. Oh, you can't even see that. Core i7 10th edition. 16 gigs. RTX 2070 Maxq. Alright guys, I'm going to start setting this up. I'm happy as hell. Oh, maybe I'll show you the processor and system manager and task manager before I go. Wow, look at that. 12. Love it. Alright guys, now I'm going to go. So I think I got a deal. $1,200 out the door from Best Buy pre-Black Friday. It's funny, I went in the store, and in the store, it wasn't even on sale. They told me you have to do it online, you have to have a Best Buy account, and enter your phone number, and then you'll get that price online, which is amazing. So if you're shopping, shop online, bestbuy.com, anywhere.com, get that price, take a picture of it, go in the store, and ask them the price match and give you that deal. And in 14 days, if this drops in price, I'm going to go, yeah, you get $200-300 off. Hopefully. All right, guys. Nice having you. I'm going to go have fun. New machine. Hey, so I noticed something with this new machine that kind of scares me. Build quality. Oh my God. So on my old Precision, that's 10 years old, all metal, I can grab this thing. See that? And the screen is solid. It's all metal. Like, this is metal. That's why this Precision has lasted so long. See that? Metal. On the Asus ROG, this scares me. When you go to open it, look at the flex. See that? Look at the flex. It looks like a U. See the flex? Look. I feel like I might crack the screen just trying to open the thing. Like, seriously, look. So now I'm only going to use 2 hands, and I'm going to put a thumb here and a thumb here to open and close this thing every time I want to use it. I'm never going to grab it here by the center. That's not okay. Like, it's flexing. The screen is flexing and bending. The case is flexing and bending. So it may be a good high-end machine, but I don't like the fact that the outside plastic or the frame of the laptop flexes when you try to open it. That's bad compared to my Precision. This Precision is old. I spent 2 or 3 times more on it brand new compared to this one. But this is archaic. It's got a first-gen Core i7, and it's lasted, and I think I know why it's lasted. It's lasted because it was built. I mean, it's 20 pounds. It's all metal. It's 20 pounds. This is like 3 or 4 or 5 pounds. So, you know me. I'm Mr. Madman. I'm probably going to go get some pieces of steel and run them. I'll sand it down, make it nice and cool and smooth, and I'll see if I can install it or glue it or secure the steel 3 inches here, right across the top, right down the middle. Maybe not here to cover the logo, but right across the top. It's my laptop. And I'm going to put that steel on to try and make this rigid. So when I go to lift it, the steel would reinforce it. See that? And maybe it would not flex. Anyone buying this laptop or any new laptop, that's something to consider.